Hey everybody, we are back with another round of Product Pulse where we cover unstruct updates fresh off the press. I'm Mahashri, Product Marketing Specialist, and let me take you through what's new. Firstly, there is the Agentic Table Extractor, one of our key updates from the last few months. The Agentic Table Extractor is built for extraction from critical documents in Prompt Studio, and it's available as an extraction type you can choose from. Whether you run the prompt cell or the project runs in deployment, a sophisticated multi agent pipeline takes over. It combines text and vision models to locate, extract, and structure your table data using advanced techniques. We've also built in some smart efficiencies. For instance, before the heavy lifting begins, a lightweight model first scans the document to detect exactly where the table lives. Only that section gets passed to the full pipeline. So if you've got a 300-page document with a 10-page table buried somewhere inside, you'll still extract it at a reasonable cost. If your document or even the table itself is too large for the model's context window, the agentic table extractor uses advanced sliding window techniques so context window size does not become a problem. Here's the table extractor in action. Once you upload your documents to the project, use the readiness checklist to see if your prompt is good enough to extract accurate data. Once this is done, now select the extraction type as the Agentic table extractor, and once you run your project, you get accurately extracted table data even from complex tables in just seconds. This is a real leap forward. Better extraction quality and the ability to handle documents far larger and more complex than before. We can't wait to see what you have to throw at it. Update number 2, Human in the Loop enhancements. We've got some updates to help you with a more comprehensive HITL suite. Firstly, there is change tracking. You can now get statistical information on your review processes, the fields that are getting changed, the number of times they are changed, and reviewers that are making the changes. Furthermore, a robust set of filters also allow you to look at the data the way you want. Up next, there is the feedback loop. In Prompt Studio, you can now get feedback on a per prompt basis, letting you know which prompt fields are being changed by reviewers often. This provides hints to you about the extraction quality of the prompt in question. Next, you can now keep track of your HITL edits with history for every individual document. It's an easy way to track corrections over time and build confidence in your extraction quality. Lastly, you can now access Human in the Loop more easily as it's available on the side navigation bar. Update number 3, New connectors. Unstruct now natively integrates with the LLMs and embedding models from Google AI Studio and models from Azure AI Foundry, giving users a broader selection of models to choose from. With that said, we now bring you a bunch of smaller but significant updates. On the UI UX front, we've moved to card based layouts that surface more information about your pipelines and API deployments. Unstruct components now work in high availability modes for customers using it for critical workflows. Moving on, Prompt Studio now supports CSV and text file formats. You can now automate your Unstruct workflows like promoting a project from a lower environment to production without ever logging in. The new Unstruct platform APIs let you do anything programmatically that you'd normally do through the UI. We've also strengthened security, sanitizing SQL identifiers in database connectors for safer writes. Retry handling for LLM and embedding providers is now unified, so momentary failures recover automatically and you'd hit fewer errors. And that brings us to the end of Product Pulse June 2026. I'll see you soon with the next set of updates.